Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Students, I am asking some questions. Given the answer in full sentence. What is noun? Prince?
Ma'am, noun is the name of any person, place, or thing.
Noun is the name of any person, place, or thing. Very good, Prince. Give some examples of noun. Abhishek, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, example of noun are Samir and hospital and Lucknow. These are some examples of noun.
Yes. Very good, Abhishek. What are those words called that indicate some type of action? Prince?
The word that indicate some action is called verb.
Yes. Very good, Abhishek. What is verb? So students, today we will discuss about the verb. Prince, unmute yourself and read this sentence.
Joyce finally finished her homework.
Okay. What is verb in this sentence?
Ma'am, finished is the verb.
Yes, very good, Prince. Next, the chirping birds kept me awake all night. Abhishek, unmute yourself and read this sentence.
Yes, ma'am. The chirping birds kept me awake all night.
Yes, Abhishek, very good. The chirping birds kept me awake all night. What is verb in this sentence?
Ma'am, awake and kept.
Yes, very good, Abhishek. Next, my sister won first prize on her project. What is verb sentence?
Ma'am, in this sentence, the verb is one. W-O-N, one.
Yes, very good. Won. My sister won first prize on her project. Yes, very good, Prince. Mute yourself. Next, Abhishek, read now.
Ma'am, I met John at the dance class.
Yes, very good, Abhishek. What is verb in this sentence?
Ma'am, met is verb in this sentence.
Yes, very good. Prince, read now this words.
Ma'am, finished, capped, won, met.
Yes, very good. What the similarities between all? What the similarities among all these sentences? All these sentences are verb. Definition of verbs. Verbs are words that express action or verbs are words that express action or state of being. Verb is a word of or group of word that is used to indicate that something happens or exists. Example, singing, dancing, playing, reading, etc. Prince, unmute yourself and
Yes, ma'am. Verbs, ma'am, verb definition of verb is the verbs are words that expresses action or state of being. Verb is a word or group of words that is used to indicate that something happens or exists. Example of verb are singing, dancing, playing, reading, etc.
very good, Prince. Next, there are three types of verbs: action verbs, linking verbs, and helping verbs. Prince, read now this sentence.
In the sentence is John kicked the ball.
Yes, very good. Abhishek, you read now.
Ma'am, John talked.
Yes. Action verbs are words that express action. Example: give, eat, walk, etc. or position, have, own, etc. There are two types of action verbs: transitive. Example: Lakshmi raises her hand, and intransitive. Example: Lakshmi rises slowly from her seat. Prince, read now this sentence.
In the sentence is the eggs smell rotten.
Yes. Akshay, you read now.
Yes, ma'am. William is excited about his promotion.
Yes, very good, Akshay. Linking verb. A linking verb connects the subject of a sentence to a noun or adjective that renames or describes the sentences. Example: Lalit became a business manager. Shaila can ride her sister's bicycle. Prince, read now this sentence.
In the sentence is Shaila can ride her sister's bicycle.
What is helping verb in this sentence?
Can in the sentence.
Yes, very good, Akshay. Akshay,
Yes, ma'am.
you read now.
Ma'am, Shaila could have walked to school.
Yes. What is helping verb in this sentence?
Ma'am, walk is the verb in this sentence.
Helping verb.
Ma'am, have is the helping verb in this sentence.
Okay. Helping words are used before action or linking words to convey additional information regarding aspects of possibility, can, could, etc., or time, was, did, has, etc. The main verb with its accompanying helping verb is called a verb phrase. Example: John is going to Florida. Students, take out your notebook and write this definition of verbs in your notebook. Note it down.
1 minute, ma'am.
Abhishek,
Yes, ma'am.
note it down.
Yes, ma'am. Noting it.
Okay. Note it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I am asking some questions, some sentences identifying the words in this sentence. Akshay, read now this sentence.
The cat sat near the window.
Yeah. What is helping verb in this sentence?
Sat is the verb in this sentence.
Yes, very good. That is verb in this sentence. Next, Prince, read now this sentence.
Ma'am, the sentence is she is walking with the dog.
Yes, she is walking with the dog. What is helping verb in this sentence?
Ma'am, helping verb is in the sentence is.
Yes, very good. And what is helping verb in this sentence? Action verb.
Ma'am, the action word in the sentence is walking.
Yes, very good, Prince. Abhishek, unmute yourself and read now this sentence.
Ma'am, Lata is a good singer.
Yes, very good. What is in this sentence?
Ma'am, is a help is it is a helping verb.
Yes, very good, Abhishek. Yes, Prince, you read now.
The sentence is a light was shining.
A light was shining. What is helping verb in this sentence?
Ma'am, the helping verb in the sentence is was.
Very good, Prince. And what is action verbs in this sentence?
Ma'am, the action verb in the sentence is shining.
Yes, very good, Prince. Abhishek, you read now.
Ma'am, Mohan is a good boy.
What is in this sentence?
It is a helping verb.
Yes, very good, Abhishek. It is a helping verb. Okay, students, I am given some homework. Note down your notebook. Write 5 sentences with the help of verbs and write down a paragraph and underline verbs. Note down your notebook. Note it down.
मैम, ये जो सेकंड वाला होमवर्क है इसमें हमको लिंकिंग वर्ब भी अंडरलाइन करना है.
Yes, yes. Action verb, linking verb, helping verb.
ओके मैम.
Note down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, class.